Science with Slappy.
Hello, all my adoring fans. It's me, Slappy. As you know, I've conquered small towns, brought Halloween to life, and starred in a major motion picture, all with my own power and charisma. But now, I'm going to use a little science to achieve total world domination. I've sent my co-stars to the lab to demonstrate each experiment. You can follow along at home. Welcome to my Slaporatory.
Your what? Did he just say Slaporatory?
I don't like the sound of that out loud.
Slaporatory, like laboratory, but with my name, because I'm the star. Now, Madison, Jeremy, Khalil, why don't you be a bunch of nice silent film co-stars and maybe take an experiment? I can smell your breath from here.
Sloppy, that's you. So, you're gonna take over the world using static electricity, chemical reactions, Tesla technology, and the scientific method?
How will those things help you take over the world?
Here's how. I must warn you, the following experiments may cause thrills, curiosity, and most importantly, goosebumps. Okay, kids, let's get sciencey.
I actually have to go to set, so you guys are on your own. Have fun.
I can use magic to turn sweet little gummy bears into giant, furious beasts. You can use science. Let's use the scientific method to see what will happen when we soak them in water, vinegar, salt water, and vegetable oil.
So, what happens when gummy bears are submerged in different liquids overnight? Well, to answer this question, we will be using the scientific method. The scientific method is a way to find evidence-based answers to questions. To perform the scientific method, we will form a question, develop a hypothesis, conduct an experiment, make an observation, and draw a conclusion. Time to gather your materials. Gummy bears, water, salt, white vinegar, clear cups, masking tape, a marker, a pen and paper, and vegetable oil. All right, now, let's get started.
Set one gummy bear aside as the control group. Be sure to label each container with the liquid you're using. Fill each container halfway with liquid. Then drop one gummy bear into each cup.
That one goes into that one, and boom.
Remember, no snacking. Observe the gummy bears. Notice any changes right away?
Look a little bigger in the water.
Now come up with a hypothesis for each liquid and write it down. What do you think will happen to each gummy bear?
So I think the one in the oil will expand, but it won't expand as much as these because it's a thicker liquid, so it'll have a harder time getting into the gummy bear. Okay, now we have to leave these overnight and come back tomorrow to see what happens.
In the morning, observe what has happened to each gummy bear. What can you see, feel, smell, measure, or weigh? Write the changes that have occurred next to your hypothesis. Try to think of why the changes occurred.
Okay, water, it expanded a lot, actually. So if you look at what it was at the first part and what it was overnight, it has definitely expanded, and that's because the water went inside of the gummy bear like a sponge. Exactly, and it smells like pink lemonade. It does. It's pretty great. If you look at the vinegar, though, you can tell that the gummy bear has completely disintegrated. I really wish that we had vinegar when we were fighting those gummy bears. That would have helped. Yeah, that would have been really, really helpful.
Now create a set of results, comparing your observations with the control gummy bear. How do the results compare to the hypothesis? Conclusion, gummy bears rule!
Science with Slappy.